미안해요. 미안해요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 미안해요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 290. 미안해요. 미안해요. This is pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is mi, second syllable is an, third syllable is he, and the last syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 미안해요. As mentioned, our word for today is 미안해요, but this is more likely pronounced as 미안해요 in Korean. And this word is actually a polite version of 미안해, which is a way of saying I'm sorry in Korean. Again, 미안해요 is used to say I'm sorry. If we will compare 미안해 and 미안해요, it differs only on the formality. 미안해 is considered informal, while 미안해요 is considered a bit more polite than 미안해. And if you notice, by just adding the yo syllable at the ending, an informal term can actually be made a bit more polite. How do you write 미안해요 in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable mi, we need to draw first a mium character followed by an e character. For the second syllable an, we need to draw first a no sound iyung followed by an a character followed by a nian character. For the third syllable he, we need to draw first a hi character followed by an e character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyung or placeholder iyung followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the Hangul of the word 미안해요. And with that, you've just learned 미안해요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 280 to 289. But don't forget our word for today, word number 290, 미안해요, which means I'm sorry. The first word for our review is actually a phrase which is 도와주세요, which is used to say help me. Word number 288 is 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is 여자친구, which means girlfriend. Word number 286 is 남자친구, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is 가수, which means singer. Word number 284 is 바다, which means ocean or sea. Word number 283 is 생선, which means fish. Word number 282 is 과일, which means fruit. Word number 281 is 돕다, which means to help. And the last word for our review, word number 280, 주다, which means to give. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.